Reliable Rooter and Plumbing has been providing the highest quality rooter and plumbing service in Orange County since 1992.
Thank you for calling Reliable Rooter and Plumbing. This is Tammy speaking. How can I help you? I think the most important thing that we have to offer our customers is an honest and reliable approach to taking care of their needs. We're equipped to provide complete plumbing repair and replacement services using the finest equipment available. Our central location assures a quick response to all your plumbing needs. Our staff is courteous, clean, and dependable.
Call to take advantage of our preventative maintenance program that will give you peace of mind.